If you want to eject SIM tray on Realme GT 7T, then first of all you need to prepare the eject tool that you can find inside the box. I have mine over here, and then you can take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find our SIM tray over here. Now using the eject tool, we need to insert it into this hole that we have. So let's put it in order to eject the SIM tray, and then use a little bit of force until the SIM tray pops out, just slightly. Now, using your fingers or fingernails, you want to remove the SIM tray from the phone. And there we go, this is how it looks like. Over here we have the front of the SIM tray, we have SIM 1, and on the reverse side we have SIM 2, this is the European version. The SIM tray may vary depending on the region. Now, in order to insert the card, of course, we need to match the shape. So just place it just like it is shown over here on the slot. And it should go in really easily. Make sure that it is fully in. If you want to, of course, you can insert the second card, if possible, of course. So this is the correct way. There we go. Let's put it in. And there we go. Now, of course, we need to insert the SIM tray back into the phone. So let's take a look at the bottom of the phone and just put it back in. Use your finger in order to fully insert the SIM tray back into the phone. Make sure that nothing sticks out. And if you cannot put it back in, then just make sure once again that the SIM card or SIM cards are inserted correctly. So that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.